I'd like to say thank you to Canterbury Trails Farm for this awesome idea of making a rag rug. The style that I use for this is known as the toothbrush rag rug. And even with all of my mistakes, it looks pretty darn good. See? And I will definitely be making more. Plus, I got to use up all of my scraps hanging around. So, thank you, Canterbury Trail Farm, for this amazing, wonderful idea to get rid of all of these scraps so I can make more scraps. Rob's gonna measure it.
33 inches
33
by 30.
by 30. Also, if you're wondering what this tub is doing here, that tub is filled with molasses. Cost of the project, other than time, absolutely nothing. I had all the materials needed, and Rob even made me my little needle thing. Where's my little needle thing? Right here. Show it up because you made it, Rob. See? And that worked great to use instead of a toothbrush handle. And then Rob also made sure that it had a bit of a rounded point. And then I had my TV tray, so I was able to actually sit in my recliner with the TV tray and build my rug. Turned out pretty good. I'm very pleased. This was my first rug, and I enjoyed it so much, I decided I would make another rag rug. And as you can tell, Baymax likes this rug as well. It's crocheted with a large crochet hook. Thank you very much and have an amazing day, everybody. You guys may want to try this as well. This was fun. I actually enjoyed it, and in less than a week, it was completed. Don't forget, if you like this type of video and off-grid projects, like, subscribe, and share, and ring the bell. The bell will notify you whenever we come out with another project that we're working on. Have an amazing day, everybody.